Okay, so we're basically going to talk about the geography syllabus today. Geography syllabus is of, I'm going to start with the preliminary syllabus that comes in the prelims. Prelims has got the syllabus geography in 4 parts. First is the physical. Next is the social. Next is the oceanography. And, sorry, not oceanography, it's economic, and location based. ये 4 चीजों में it has been divided. ठीक है? Now this portion, this is very important. This is important. This is very important, and this is also very important. This is not so important. Okay, so basically we're gonna divide physical geography as well into 5 basic characteristics, which is geomorphology, climate, oceanography, biogeography, and last, environmental. So this is the 5 main things that is asked in the preliminary examination, and then there is more information. So we're going to start with, I'm going to clear this out, the complete thing. Okay, I'm just going to clear this out. We're going to start at the main syllabus as well. So the main syllabus basically is pretty diverse, I'd say. The main syllabus is pretty diverse. It starts with world and Indian geo, which is the physical, basically geography. Then there's natural resources, around the world. Then there's industries. I'm just telling you the topics that are asked, which is primary, secondary, and tertiary. We're going to be talking about these in detail later on. Then we have our geophysical phenomenon, which include our volcanoes, etc. Then we have the changes or climatic changes caused due to, yeah, for example. So geomorphy basically has around 10 topics, 12 topics. Okay. So if you want, you can write it down or do basically the complete thing. So next we have a geomorphology. Geomorphology has around 12 topics that includes Earth's interior, then tectonics and mountains, also volcanoes, the complete phenomenon. How do they occur? What happens? How it goes along? Then rocks. Then is weathering of the rocks. Next is erosion. Next is fluvial landforms. Then there's glacial landforms, marine, arid, and karst. This is the whole geomorphology syllabus that we will cover, and this is in mains and prelims both. Next comes our climate. Climate has around 9 topics, which includes atmosphere, temperature distribution, pressure, jet streams, air masses, fronts, humidity, cyclones, and climatic regions. It's pretty basic, not a lot of things to work on. I probably feel that it is pretty easy for anyone who had geography in their, class. Next, we have oceanography. Oceanography is basically 8 topics, which is the ocean, obviously, then the temperature, then the salinity, my bad. Then there's ocean currents, corals, marine pollution, and laws regulated against marine pollution. Let's just write laws regulated. I request all of you all to write alongside, don't miss out. So this is the total syllabus that we have. Next is our bio geography. Okay. So it has soil, conservation of soil, erosion, degradation, deforestation, and basically pollution in total. We're basically going to do all of this from our Kullar book. You can find the PDF, or I will link it in my description if I find it. And we're going to continue it in the next class.